So today I'm going to show you a clip that I'm working on. I'm going to use Adobe Photoshop Beta. It has a built-in generative fill where you have the AI to generate it. So first off, I have my original clip that I took outside of the door. I just kind of want a better angle, so I just export this still. So I threw it into Photoshop here. First off, I want the right side, and I'm actually going to give myself a little bit of extra room because of that line, and let's just do generative fill. Not gonna put anything in here, just gonna hit generate, whatever it thinks will fit. That looks pretty good. Here's another one that goes off to darkness. This one has a little edge. Then I'm going to select this part and do generative fill. And there we go, kind of a little bit nicer. That actually looks the coolest, the first one. Okay, and we're gonna do generative fill on this side. So I'm going to export this. So now we can put it into, there we go, full door. So that will go underneath and we'll extend it out. And then I'm going to find crop, do right, pull and left. Okay, so this clip now looks pretty good. So I'm walking into the room, I shut the door. You're not seeing any noise, of course, because it's just a static image. Speed duration, reverse speed. Perfect. And I'm going to make a new sequence. And it's just going to be normal. I'm going to do 24 frames. So I'm going to set this at 50%. So we're going to put scale here, 50. As the door opens, the camera's going to zoom. So now we're going to zoom 100. Now we're going to zoom 97.5. Something I can also do is declutter the background that I have right now. So I can make whatever I want in here to look slightly better, although I'm kind of intentionally not doing that. I like real better if you can. It gives you something interesting to look at. Like these are actual things on my desk, but it's kind of cool to see the smoke behind me. Some effects sometimes are quite cool, but when they're real effects, I think they're nominally better than fake effects. If you can replicate something in real life, that's better. So for this very intro shot to the door, Adobe Premiere's generative fill comes in quite handy, and it makes quick work of, you know, kind of cropping your environment and generating the stuff on the periphery. Please like or subscribe if you like my content. Thanks for watching.